What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I thought I would jump on here and do a quick tutorial on this look you are seeing right here. It's so simple, yet so bronzy and so fun, and it really is just a couple steps. So it makes it really easy if you're trying to get somewhere where you really want to look like you were put together, but you didn't really have that much time to do it. This is my go-to look. I figured I would just call this something like my go-to bronzy look because, as you can tell, it is super bronzy. I have no blush on. It's all just bronzer, a very golden highlight, just a little bit of bronzer in the crease, no eyeshadow, and then just some lashes to really make this look flirty. I think that absolutely everyone could pull this off, of course. It's so easy. It takes no time at all if I'm not filming this video. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, just go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, to get started, I went ahead and already did my brows with the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 3. I'm picking up my Professional Primer by Benefit and putting this all over my face. This is so good for my pores. It really makes my pores so blurred. Picking up the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation with this huge sponge, as you can see by my face. This is that huge Real Technique sponge that everyone's been using lately, and it is ginormous. It's big, and then once you wet it, it's even bigger. Oh my gosh. And one thing I will say, I feel like I had to use a lot of product with this sponge, but I mean, if you're in a hurry and you need to get your foundation on quick, and this will do it for you, because it sets a lot of area. But yeah, I did feel like I had to keep dipping back into my foundation to really cover everything. All right, I'm picking up my Tarte concealer in the shade Light Medium and putting it under the eyes, on my eyelids, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin, just to really highlight those areas over that foundation. I am picking up my Morphe little concealer brush and setting it, not setting it, but I sprayed it with MAC Fix Plus to go ahead and go in and blend that out. I am going ahead and picking up just a Morphe brush to set down that concealer on my eyes. This is just a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number. Just pick any brush that will set down that concealer. I'm going in with a big fluffy brush and taking that same powder, that is the Charlotte Tilbury powder in the shade Medium, and I'm just setting down the rest of my face with a big fluffy brush. I am picking up this ColourPop F5 brush to really set the under eyes. Now I'm going in with my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends Natural Radiance Bronzer and just warming up the entire face. Make sure you get it up in your hairline as well, a little bit on the forehead. All right, I'm picking up another Morphe brush and using that same bronzer to make sure I get it really good in my crease. I was showing you I was using the lightest shade in the bronzer just to really put it in that crease for some definition. And then I am going in with the MAC blush in the shade Format. I am obsessed with this stuff. And I smile and put it on. Such a pretty bronzy color. And then I'm taking my Too Faced Mr. Right brush and blending that out. Picking up my Stila Black Waterproof Eyeliner. Don't mind the spray tanned hands. They're looking a little rough as it's coming off. But yeah, I'm just putting this liner on my top lashes. Go ahead and give those lashes a quick curl. We're going in with falsies, so just give them a quick curl. Using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara to just prime those eyelashes before we go in with the falsies. Again, don't mind my hand and the self-tanner. It is awful. Got to take care of that later. Going in with any brush that you want to use to put some eyeshadow on that lower lash line. I am going in with the same bronzer that I used in that crease. I am picking up my Ardell Natural Lashes. And then the Anastasia Contour Kit, which is absolutely old and disgusting. It has been used a lot. I'm picking up that banana shade and the pink shade to set my under eye, just to brighten it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to contour just a tiny bit. This Kat Von D brush is absolutely amazing. I'm going to suck in my cheeks, make a little fish face, you know, and I'm using that really, it's obviously a bronze, but it's more of like the gray undertone to really create that shadow for my contour and just blend away. And I'm picking up that same fluffy brush and blending again. All right, now on to highlight. We're picking up the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This is in the shade Precious Petals. And I'm picking that up on my Morphe M501 brush. This is currently my favorite brush to highlight with. I love this highlighter too. It's so pretty and it's from the drugstore, so hi. Taking that on the high points of my cheeks, high points of my face, and then making that little backwards C to get it above the brows a little bit and just give a beautiful glow from within. Put a little bit on my eyelids just to really wake up the eyes. I'm doing what I say I don't like to do and highlighting my nose, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I am taking the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and setting down those brows. And then picking up my MAC See-Through Lip Gloss. I love this gloss. I'm running out of it and I need a new one, but this is just the prettiest nude, really just insane pigmented gloss. I love it. And then, of course, setting my face with the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. I haven't used this one in a while. It's an oldie but a goodie. And like I said, gotta use that test spray. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some very useful tips. And I'm sure this is not anything that you guys don't already know, but I just want to show you guys what I do to get this easy glam look. I actually just filmed a video the other day and literally threw some makeup on my face and then went to the gym, and they were asking about what my blush was. It's actually this MAC blush right here. I guess it is a blush. Yes, MAC powder blush, but I have been using this forever, as you can tell. It's very well loved. But I just love this for the summertime, even though it is not the summertime, you know what I mean. And I threw my hair up on top of my head today because I'm lazy. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you guys like voiceover little tutorials or what you like best, if you like talk-throughs, voiceovers, whichever one you like. Go ahead and drop me some comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just want to go ahead and make it known that I have been trying to take a picture with my dog for like 10 minutes, and he's just not having it. I think he's a little camera shy. Doodle. Hey! What's wrong? Show the people your face. Yeah. Oh, I know, I love you. Oh, you sleepy.